What's good? What's good? What's good? YouTube back at it with another vid. Your boy G-Face here. You know how we do it over here, straight to the point, no cuts, no edits, just straight love over here, man. And you see we in the dungeon, so we just chilling right now. Just gotta pop out this quick video right quick. Got a quick package in. For me personally, I think this is probably maybe 1A, 1B, one of the best SBs of this year. It is a low. It is beautiful. We did just get it. We got the package in right here. Feel me? They did it good. This comes all the way from Florida. Cocoa Beach did me right. We got the purple SB box here. Size 12. That was my receipt. And then here we go with the sticker. We got the Drift House sticker with the nice little flowers and joints. So this comes from Drift House, skate shop out in Cocoa Beach, Florida. We did manage to hit on their first come, first serve on their online drop. I think it was like Wednesday last week or maybe even Thursday. I think more of it was Wednesday. But here we go. We're gonna open these up, and these come in the fake blind bag, I'm gonna call it. This is not a blind bag. This is a UV reactive bag that keeps the shoes safe from the sun, just because the shoes are sun reactive. So here we go. Let's see what we got up in the bag. I'm gonna take that one out. And now I'm gonna take that one out. So the bag is pretty sturdy. Does sucks going in and out the bag for the shoes, but here we go. So first off, let me get up in here. First off, these shoes smell like a fucking Jordan 1. Excuse my English, but the people that love the smell of Jordan 1s, this shoe right here smells exactly like a Jordan 1, and it smells amazing. I'm not even gonna lie to you. We can start with those beautiful outsoles. Got the cinema. I believe these are tattoos on Hayley Wilson, the skater. She's a skater from Australia. You know, go Aussie, 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 oi. But we have a couple tattoos that she has. Got the cinema faces. Got the bob wires on the back. The bob wires on the back do react to the sun. They do change colors. So do the swooshes. Not the black part, which is this nice leather material, but this white liner to the black swoosh goes like a light purple, like this purple, but a lot lighter. And then it goes like around this with the sun. Don't worry, it doesn't stay like that for long. Once you're out the sun, it goes back to white. And then right here, this tongue tag, the tongue tag right here, this will go like this color, lavender, pinkish color. This will kind of pop out right here with a little bit more. And then this also pops out with a different color when the sun hits it. I truly don't know how this part of the shoe is going to get sun, but hey, to each his own. This shoe is beautiful. I believe this is my SB of the year so far. This is actually on my top 5. This is number 5, sitting at that number 5 spot right now. Might move up realistically, to be honest with you. This might be 4, might be 3. Just 1 and 2 are already locked in. There's no change in those two. 1 is Galaxy, 2 is Brick by Brick. But this is definitely in the top 5. And then we got the cool insoles. Let me just get this paper out that I stuffed in here all crazy. We got this insole right here, that another tattoo that she has, I believe. And then it says her name, Hayley Wilson, on the inside. We got the scorpion with a couple of little stars right there. And then we'll pull out the other one so you can see the other one as well. They're both different, similar to the outsoles. And then this one has this beautiful rose with the spider, with the NikeSB, with that little star again. And then got the rose within the spider web. This joint is fire. So these are the 2 insoles right here. And then these are your outsoles. It's just a good compliment and shoe. I really do have a hat that matches this that I haven't had a chance to wear it because I didn't have nothing to match it. Now this is going to match it. It's a beautiful shoe, man. And again, it smells like a Jordan 1. So this is your Hayley Wilson SB. For me, again, this is my dunk, my SB of the year. This will be one very close to this one would be the Rodeo Dunk, the BHMs. That shoe is also a beautiful material, beautiful shoe, beautiful concept. This is fire, man. Since I seen this shoe, this was the one I said was going to be the one. So again, it smells amazing. But if you got this far, watching me smell the shoe and all that good stuff, hey, hit the like button, subscribe, share this, you know, put on the bell, do all that good stuff that will help you stay in tune when we're loading up all our videos over here on the channel. We've been trying to post things almost every day. We've been trying to stay active. A lot of different videos are coming out. I review almost every shoe I buy for myself or for my homies. Not even homies, they're more like my buyers. I ain't even gonna lie. But yeah, these are beautiful. Thank you again for being here this long, hearing me rant and ramble about. Remember, we're not here for a long time, so we might as well have a good time while we're here, man, and make it look good. These things are beautiful, man. I think I might wear these on my birthday. Let's go. Thank you again for being here, and we out.